It's been about 2.5 years since I've created a YouTube video with voiceover, so enjoy me taking my motorcycle to Arizona Hot Springs and crossing state lines for the first time. I got my motorcycle about 8 months ago. I have never ridden before. I bought the bike because it was cheaper than a car, and I taught myself how to ride. To the right of me is Lake Mead, furthest. You can kind of see it in the horizon over there. Closest to me is a park called Hemingway Park. This is Boulder City. Super cool. Across from me in front is a mountain area where the longhorn sheep will come down. Longhorn sheep. And they'll come into Hemingway Park, and you'll be able to, I wouldn't try to feed them or touch them, but you'll be able to take like really close photos of them. It's kind of cool. They were pretty fearless when I was there last. This is also a beautiful area. I love Boulder City. I was actually looking for some longhorn sheep. That's why I came back here. I totally left the highway just to come over here. And I like this area. This was the first place I came to when I went on the highway, when I got my motorcycle. I'm sure a lot of people want to know how I feel about Las Vegas. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like it. A lot of people get offended when I say that, especially Las Vegas locals. It's just, it is what it is. It's not for everyone. It's not for everyone. You're not going to like a certain state, too. You might not like New York City. You might not like Seattle. You might not, don't get on me for not liking Las Vegas. I've lived in Florida, born and raised, and I moved to Seattle for 7 years. Never seen so much crime in my life. In Seattle, I was seeing people literally dying on fentanyl in the streets in front of me. Like, I've seen everything in Seattle, and it was still a better place. It just was a better place for me. I'll correct myself. For me. There's no bike lanes. You will die on the streets. When I moved here, right across the street from me, a pedestrian got hit. And the pedestrian wasn't even jaywalking. They were just on the sidewalk. And a drunk driver struck them and they died. As a person that likes to ride e-bikes as my main form of transportation, it's just not something that I'm gonna like. Crossing the Arizona Nevada state line is so awesome. Such a moment for me doing this on a motorcycle. Like, how many girls can say that they crossed a state line on a motorcycle? I know the numbers are getting up there, but I don't know how many. Seattle, I feel like I took that place for granted. The weather and the well-known fentanyl addiction, mental health, homeless crisis in Seattle. I did not want to be around that. Who would? Who would? So I left. And now that I moved here, I realized that is not that bad to live around. Isn't that crazy? Moving to Las Vegas made me realize that living right next to a homeless epidemic was not that bad compared to this. For me. I'd rather have that. If you've never been to Seattle, you just don't get it. And you got to go to inside of Seattle. Like, don't go to like Lake City and be like, I'm in Seattle. Just look up the cutest neighborhoods in Seattle and go. It's adorable. Adorable. The Space Needle is located in Lower Queen Anne. I lived in Upper Queen Anne. I could literally walk to the Space Needle. It was amazing. It's so pretty. Some of my favorite neighborhoods in Seattle are Fremont. I lived down the road from Capitol Hill. Belltown is cool. There's a lot of dirt. It's dirty in Belltown, I'm not gonna lie, but there's Biscuit Bitch is in Belltown. Comment below if you've been to Biscuit Bitch. Ballard is another neighborhood where the Deadliest Catch, that show, they dock their boats in Ballard. You gotta go there. Fremont, I just mentioned Fremont. They have a really good fish and chips place. I can't wait to go back there now that I'm not a vegan anymore. And yeah, enjoy Seattle if you ever go. It's amazing. Honestly, I have no idea where I'm gonna move next. I might move to Colorado. I would love to live in Colorado. I would love to live in Austin. I have no interest in living where weed isn't legal, so Austin might not happen. California is like my number one goal, of course, but for now I live in Las Vegas. And here are some things I actually like about Nevada. I feel like Nevada is super close to California. You can get to San Diego, I think, between 5 and 6 hours. You can get to LA in 4 hours. You can get to Malibu in like 5 hours. You can get to the border of California in 1 hour, and you can get to the border of Arizona in 1 hour. I can also get to Route 66 in 2 hours? Yeah, I can get on Route 66 and start playing around on that road in 2 hours. I'm going to be recording a Route 66 video and showing you guys what I get into. I honestly just want stickers and magnets. Another thing I really like about this city is weed is legal. It's legal in the whole state, but Las Vegas is the only place where you're really going to be able to find things to do after work in this state. I don't really think any of the other towns in the state have so much stuff to do. If you want to go out to eat at a nice restaurant, if you want to go drink, if you want to go to a rave, if you want to go see Lady Gaga, I don't know, you want to go do Cirque du Soleil, like, it's cool that you get to do all that. I also really adore the Las Vegas Sphere. I've never been to the Sphere, but I really am excited to go when I have the funds. I was reading something on Facebook where somebody was like, if you don't like Las Vegas, you're probably broke, so get your money up. And he was right. Like, this place is not cheap like it used to be. Everybody from the richer states moved here and shot up the value. It's not worth what you're paying anymore. My apartment is $1,100 and something dollars a month, and it's 300 square feet. That's a problem. Another thing I don't like about Las Vegas, because of the drunk driving, owning a car, I think we're now the #1 most expensive state to own a car. I've never seen anything like this in my life. I think when I registered my car in Florida, it was like $35. I know people that have paid thousands of dollars to register their car here in Las Vegas. So there's something going on. If you come back this way. Ooh, greenery. Ooh, nice. All right, I'm here. I better get a new battery in here. I got this. I got this. Okay, that's too hot for you. It just gets too hot. Oh, that's so cold now. Wow. Oh wow, look at the stairs. Oh my goodness, I need to go. I have to go, whether I like it or not. I'm cold. I'm cold. Nudity over here. Okay. People are nude. Yeah. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. Walking through this rockiness hurt my feet so bad. I didn't understand how it would be because I'm new to the desert. I will be bringing Crocs next time. Or even better, some really cheap Walmart water shoes. I really feel like I should have helped these motorcyclists. What do you think? Thanks for watching this video. Headed home now. I had a great day. And I will be putting out more videos as long as my health is in check. I think I got some sort of respiratory virus after I came back from this trip. And I was out for 5 days. So stay tuned for more. and let me know what you'd like to see.